In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game BAM Simulator on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now the next step will be to search up this game quickly at Steam, but don't worry, we are not going to buy it over there. So we only search it up and then we will continue to another website to download it. Go to the Steam website, quickly search it up and don't waste too much time on it. Once you have searched for the game, select it and then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is available for €5.39. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. What you need to do now is search for the same game, BAM Simulator, and then select it. Now select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, this is a PC version, and make sure this text is marked green so the game can be activated in your country. This is very important. And then select the game. Now once you have selected the game page will be opened, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €4.49 compared to the Steam price of €5.39. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.